Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, so Pratik, finally, it's a screening and you are going to just watch your series.
Yes.
So firstly, I would like to know how much confident are you when we talk about this series?
I'm very confident about the book.
Okay.
I'm very confident about the story, about the characters, about our performances. I think. Fingers crossed.
And
But I'm all nerves, butterflies. I can't wait to watch it. I hope it turns out well for all of us. For Z, for all the actors, for everybody. For everybody involved.
as you talked about the actors,
Yeah.
how much often are you all meeting with each other after?
Very often, very often, very often.
Okay.
Especially these past few weeks. And we shot the show in 2 months, so we were always with each other for 2 months.
Okay, so Pratik, also would like to know that have you read the book?
I haven't read the book, but I obviously know of the book. The script, the adapted script from the book is very similar to the book, so we have a very clear idea about what the book is all about.
Okay. Also, we came to know that there are some difference, like different in the story when we talk about the series. And
Yes. It has been dramatized more because that is what's required for a good watch. But otherwise, it's pretty much the same. It's
Okay, so how high is your excitement level?
very high. Excitement level is very high. Nervousness is very high. But I'm also very happy and very grateful.
Okay, so lastly, what's next coming up from your side?
Wow, I am shooting for something very interesting at the moment for Applause, and I'm also shooting for Darbar, which is a film with Mr. Rajnikant, and I play the negative.
Okay, so there was also news about Brahmastra. Are you there?
No, I'm not in Brahmastra, no. That's just rumors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so finally आज अपनी सीरीज देखी है आप
Yep.
बिग स्क्रीन पर तो सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहिए कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं आज इस सीरीज को देखने के लिए या इस सीरीज को लेकर
कॉन्फिडेंट था इसीलिए सीरीज़ किया टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज आई लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट आई लाइक द एंटायर स्टोरी बोर्ड कॉन्फिडेंट था बोल के ही मैंने किया है सो ओबियसली आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट राइट नाउ यूजुअली हम एक्टर्स हम लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है कल प्लेटफॉर्म में आ रहा है मुझे अभी टेंशन नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज फॉर मी बचपन से ही एग्जामिनेशन जब होता है जब डायरेक्टर एक्शन बोलता है तब टेंशन होता है तो अभी आज आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट एग्जामिनेशन अच्छा हुआ है रिजल्ट कल होने वाला है आने वाला है
एक्साइटमेंट है
yeah, of course, I'm very excited. This is my second short series, but it's releasing first, so I'm very, very excited. Yeah.
ओके बिसाइड्स दिस हमने आपसे जैसे कि पूछा था फिल्म पर ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर भी हमने पूछा था आपसे तो जानना चाहेंगे बाकी की जो कास्ट है उनके साथ में कैसा अनुभव रहा आपका काम
Firstly, I would say Pratik. He's like my younger brother, and I love him a lot. And we have been working together for quite some time right now. एक पिक्चर हम लोग एक साथ की है महेश सर की महेश मंजरेकर की. This is a second project. We might do another project in future right now, which I got to know in fact yesterday. हो सकता है कि हम लोग एक साथ फिर काम करें. So working in Skyfire it was great because we were together for a long time. We were then in Delhi, we were then in Dehradun, फिर Bombay में. So it was great working with him. Next guy is I would definitely say Jatin. He's a fabulous actor. You should look out for him because I think he's one of the one of the actors which I was really looking forward to when I did my first scene with him. उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि नहीं ये बंदा छोड़ने वाला है नहीं, तो I was to look forward for more scenes to do with him. So yeah, so Jatin was great, and then Sonal is the first work with her. We have done a film together, but there was no interaction in between us. We didn't do any scenes. There was no scene together. So Sonal we met, and we were like a bunch of, what would I say, crazy guys, mad guys who were working together, and the director used to go mad, and before every shot we were like doing something, and director हम लोग को पकड़ के लेके आता है, अभी shot दो, उसके बाद जो इच्छा करो. So yeah, it was a great fun working in this project.
Okay, being from regional cinemas, how was it for you working in Sky?
I am being doing. I believe that I'm from Indian cinema. So regional, yes, Bengali is regional. So if you're asking me, doing Hindi films, I've been doing from Netaji the Forgotten Hero, which was released in 2003. So I'm here quite some time. So I've done Mardani, I've done Piku, I've done Barfi. So I've worked with all the Bengali directors out here. So working again, so-called national. I'll still call this Indian cinema or Indian content or Indian web. It feels the same, It's the only difference, if you ask me, is the money, the budget. Regional cinema works in a smaller budget. Bengali cinema, if I say so. हिंदी, सो अगर वहाँ पे 2 करोड़ का पिक्चर होता है तो यहाँ पे 200 करोड़ का होता है या 20 करोड़ का होता है. So yeah, that's the difference.
Talking about the producer, Shabina, it's said that she's too much like angry person she is. So did you felt
Is she here?
Yeah, she is.
She's here.
She's inside.
I had a wonderful time with her. She was really nice. So I should mention this because on my birthday I was shooting in Delhi, and I didn't know, they didn't know that it was my birthday. So I don't know how. I think the director Shomik told Shabina that it's my birthday. So I came, and that was the day I shot 5 scenes on that day. सुबह 8 बजे से लेके रात, I think the time I reached hotel it was about 12, and it was 15th of March. So it was my birthday, and then अचानक Shomik said, रूम में आ जा. I said, नहीं यार, I'm tired हूँ अभी, let's go. नहीं आ जा, we'll have dinner together. So when I reached, I saw Shabina, Sonal, Pratik, so everybody was there, and they celebrated my birthday, and everyone organized it. So thanks to Shabina, she was a wonderful producer, and I had a beautiful time working in her production.
Thank you so much. कोई upcoming project share करना चाहिए?
अभी नहीं, थोड़ा देर बाद कंफर्म हो जाने दो उसके बाद. Thank you. God bless.
So,